Watching content on your mobile is super easy when you know how, and that's what we'll get sorted today. First off, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if it's an Apple or an Android, the same steps will apply to both. Now, we'll need an internet connection. If you're at home, you'll want to connect up to your home Wi-Fi network. If you haven't already changed your name and password, you'll find those on the back of your router. Open the settings feature in your phone and go to Connections or Wi-Fi. Then, select Wi-Fi. Your phone will display the available networks, so look for the one that matches the information on the back of your modem or router. Select the right Wi-Fi connection, enter the password, and your phone should now be connected on your home Wi-Fi network. If you're not at home or with access to Wi-Fi, you can use your mobile phone's data. The important thing to know here is your data allowance, as it can be much more expensive when compared to your Wi-Fi at home, and you don't want any nasty bills coming in at the end of the month. Your data allowance can be found in several ways. The easiest is to check your phone bill. Or you could call your phone provider and ask exactly what your data allowance for the month is. Most apps will prompt you nowadays if you're streaming with your mobile data, so it's important to keep it turned off if you don't want to use it. This can be turned on or off in your phone. Just head to the settings under Connections or Wi-Fi. So, you've got your phone and it's connected to the internet. Now, let's talk apps. An app is a piece of software designed to carry out a specific task. In this case, streaming music or videos to your phone. When it comes to streaming apps, there is a huge range available. This is because streaming platforms like to use their own apps to connect to their audience. For the best viewing experience, you'll want to download the streaming app from the Apple App Store or Google Play for Android. And depending on your device, one of these will be pre-installed on your phone. So, let's look at how we can get a streaming app on your device. Taking Netflix as an example, head to the store and search for Netflix. Then click on the download link. Once the download is complete, open up the app and you will be asked to log in. If you don't already have an account, you will need to create one by entering your email address and a password, then sign in. Some streaming apps will be free to access, however others will have a monthly charge, so make sure you know what you're committing to before you sign up. Congratulations, you're now streaming to your mobile device. Enjoy the show. If you need help with this or any other tech problems, try our free chat service online or give us a call on 0800 for a geek. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips and advice from our geeks.